Hello. Are you a pastor, minister, church administrator, nonprofit executive, or church worker? Then this short video may be the most important video you will ever watch on the effective management of your church or ministry. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about how much time and money your church or ministry would save if you could get access to a simple, easy-to-use software to help you manage everything about your church, provide better value to your members, receive more giving, and keep accurate records of your ministry from one integrated dashboard? Well, your prayers have just been answered, as you are about to get access to the new revolutionary church management software everyone is raving about. This new church management tool has now made church administration and membership management a delightful, easy, and efficient process for all pastors, ministers, and church executives. Introducing Churchio, the ultimate church management software for dynamic ministries. With this revolutionary software, you can now manage every aspect of your church or ministry and grow your church membership while also receiving contributions from members on one integrated dashboard with zero technical management or accounting skills. In today's fast-paced digital age, where executives have little time and church members demand more value from their church membership, managing all your church information, members, giving, and ministry activities from one platform can mean the difference between growing a vibrant church or remaining stagnant and stuck in the past. That's why we've developed this amazing user-friendly software that will 10 times your effectiveness as a pastor, minister, church administrator, or worker. Here are a few of the things this revolutionary software will do for you, without you having to acquire a 7-star administrative, data management, or accounting skill. With the groundbreaking Churchio system, you can now engage your ministry community better. You can send messages to all your members with one click in this amazing breakthrough integrated church management tool. Make your administrative team more efficient. Your administrative team will have all the tools to run different functions of the church in one integrated dashboard with different levels of access, depending on their rank in the ministry, while the pastor or designated administrator still maintains the global view of all records. Pastors really love this. Manage and provide value-added services to your church members. Every member will be able to get a member's account on your church portal to access trainings from the church, review past sermons, download gifts, give to the church, view church calendars, volunteer for assignments, and seamlessly interact with other members of the church. Manage events and calendar. You can now manage all the events and activities of the church in one seamless integration that all pastors, workers, and members can see in one glance in their member area and provide feedback. Effortlessly track giving to your ministry. You no longer have to deal with the difficulties of tracking your church finances manually. Now you can effortlessly track who gave to your ministry and how much was given to your church. You can even export and print the financial records for different days, months, and years with the click of a button. Manage church funds without any accounting training. With its inbuilt accounting system, you can now accurately manage your church funds, determine budget, and control expenditure. Manage church assets from purchase to disposition. We designed this software to be able to keep record of all the assets of your church and make it easy for you to access them anytime and take decisions about church expansion without sweat. Enable social interaction and fellowship groups for your members. Your members can now interact with each other, fellowship with each other, create friendships, and join affinity groups with one button from their membership access with the exclusive Church Buddy social network integration. This is huge. Churchio is the first church management software to integrate an exclusive Facebook type of social network for church members in a church management portal. Stream services and other church events live. With the inbuilt online streaming function, you can reach a larger audience and position your ministry on a global stage without stress. These are just some of the amazing benefits and functionality you will get with the new Churchio web-based software at an incredible price during this special rollout. According to research conducted by World Outreach, 7 out of 10 churches are not able to effectively manage their church database and activities comprehensively because they lack simple-to-use tools with everything in one place that anyone can use without any technical skills. Churchio is the ultimate solution to this problem that you have been praying about. To summarize, by clicking the button below right now, you will get immediate access to the revolutionary Churchio software with unique features like complete church administration with different levels of access for personnel, ministry accounting and assets management, complete church membership management, social interaction and affinity fellowships online, church giving and donations, workers' calendar and roster, live streaming of church services, archival record of sermons and events, emails and newsletter generation, church trainings and academy. Yes, Churchio is the perfect tool for pastors, ministers, and workers to manage everything about your ministry from one integrated dashboard. But this special introductory promo below will only be available for a short time. Then the price will increase exponentially. Take advantage of this special deal today and make your ministry administration an efficient and pleasurable exercise again. Just click the link below and get your special discounted copy today.